network security, week 6. So we talked about AAA and how we set up a framework. It's similar. We used IPsec as an example, the framework we're going to look at here right after spring break. But we're still talking about admin management of the equipment. So let's take a look at. We reviewed, authentication, authorization, and accounting. That's where the AAA represents. So the first part of the labs, they did local access, usernames, and then the second part of the lab was server-based, and we used a Radius server to do this work. And then the group finished the lab. I think they went overtime, but I think they got the lab with the Radius server completely done. So we can start moving ahead to looking at firewalls here ASAP. And that's it.